Okay, hi. So let me share the data of the internet uses in India and worldwide. Okay, in 2014, internet users were 2.9 billion, and by 2024 it has grown to 5.2 billion. That means 66% of increase. Okay, and in India it was 2.43 million, now 900 million. 63% of growth. Now let me tell you, the internet users in India are the highest as compared to other. So you can understand, the demand for the job of digital marketer in India. Social media platform users, these are the total users, but if we see the individual platforms, Facebook 2014 it was 1.35 billion, now 3 billion. Okay, Instagram 200 million, now 2.35 billion. Okay, it has grown like anything. Twitter it was 2.55 million, now 556 million. LinkedIn 300 to 950. Let me tell you, all the professionals are on the LinkedIn. CEOs, directors, marketers, all the professionals are there on the LinkedIn. Even you will find the best jobs on LinkedIn platform. LinkedIn is one of the most used platform for the professionals. TikTok was not there in 2014, but now it has 1.2 billion users. Okay, age wise and gender wise also you can see, but the most interesting data I want to share with you is the businesses using digital marketing. Okay, global it was first 50%, now 90%. Okay, in India it was 20 and now 70%. That means if 70% businesses are online, okay, again you can imagine the demand for digital marketers in India. Okay, demographic wise and all we will see later on. Now we are coming back to one more interesting data: B2B, B2C, and D2C. Now I'll explain you in a lecture what is B2B, B2C, and D2C. Okay, B2C is business to customers. Okay, global users. Here you can see it was 1.30 billion, now 305 billion. B2B from 50 to 150 billion, and D2C from 20 billion to 110 billion. In India, 1.5 billion to 20 billion. B2B 500 to 10 billion. From D2C 200 million to 8 billion. You can understand the demand for the digital marketers here. Okay, one more thing I just want to tell you. Okay, you take an example as I discussed earlier. These are the customers. Okay, if the audiences are here, where you think the business should be? Naturally here. Okay, the business also should be here, right? Why would they go anywhere? They want, at the end of the day, you want the visibility, you want the business to happen. If the audiences and businesses are here, where should your career be? Here. Everyone should be on the same page. Not on the same page, we are all going to lose. And you can imagine these platforms, they will grow further. Okay, it's evolving. Digital marketing is not going anywhere. It will not stop working. The demand for digital marketing will never go down. It will evolve. Only the thing is that, like earlier, it was just digital marketing. Now it is AI. Okay, people are using AI. How to use AI? AI platforms and all will be on in online classes. I'm sure now you are pretty convinced that you need to go with this course. And as discussed, don't worry, you are in the hands of the expert